Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is a showcase video of my finished project that I designed and created for Country Craft Creations. Remember the Time YouTube hop that starts the weekend after Thanksgiving here in November 2021. This is my project. My actual tutorial will be on my YouTube channel on Sunday evening on November the 28th at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I will show you how to make this easel, desk easel flip calendar. It's real easy to make, and you'll be able to make some for gifts if you want to, or just one for yourself. All the designers are using the same paper collection from Country Craft Creations, the Remember the Time paper collection, to make a calendar project for you this year. So you'll want to check out all the tutorials, which actually start at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on Friday, November the 26th, on Debbie's Project 39 Mini Albums YouTube channel. So you want to check that out. Okay, so here's mine. This is showing you January. Now the actual front of my easel, and these are designed to be easily taken on and off on a medium disc. You can see there. This is the front that I decorated up with some scraps of paper from the June paper collection. Remember the Time is the cutout of the title page, or the page that comes with the package collection. It's not the actual paper, but it's the same paper, so you can use it. I wrapped the lace and then tied a black button string jute, and then I used Tim Holtz metal brads for the numbers for the 2022. So this is the front. Now if I turn this around right now, you can see the back side of my January page. I did decorate each month's page on the back side with a belly band. On most of them, where you can slide a picture underneath the belly band, this is just clipped on. This is extra decoration to kind of dress it all up. So let's turn it back around to the front. Now these just flip over. So here is January. Each month has an element that I put together and clipped to the side, so you can still get to your calendar. Decorated it up real pretty with some buttons from my stash and some cut aparts, and just different elements that come with the collection that you will want to cut out and add to yours. So this is January. I'm sorry about the video. This is the only way I can record it, is with my phone, so that I can show you it standing up. So here's February. I love February. That's my birthday month. It's Valentine's. I fussy cut out hearts and added a pearl from my stash that's a heart shape. Again, all these just are glued together as elements, but they come off of the calendar page. So that makes it really nice to be able to decorate it and still use it as a calendar. So there's February. Let me turn it so we can flip March up. March has got pretty gold button here from my stash. Whoops. This does clip on right there underneath all that. So you can take all this off and it's still decorated. I fussy cut out larger images from the paper and glued it onto the calendar to give it some more dimension and add to that on there. So there's March, and then you're going to want to look at April. Let's turn April. And when I'm turning it, you can see that the back sides are finished as well. So April, I fussy cut out some bunny rabbits and added the pretty birds and the flowers. April showers bring May flowers, a larger cutout of the lamb here at the top for spring. I just think it turned out really pretty. And then May. Okay, May, lots of butterflies and flowers. Again, this whole piece here comes out from under the paper clip so that you can use your actual calendar. I just decorated it up. So you can decorate yours any way you want to, add different elements. You don't want real thick flowers though, because it keeps it from actually laying correctly. Now I'm going to show you the back of June. June is my favorite month because of all the roses. So here's the belly band, and I added some cut out images here. They're just paper clipped from the back, from the front side. So when I turn it, here is your finished June calendar page. all the cutted parts and the different pearls and things, the tickets. You just want to cut out. This is added on over the smaller dove on the calendar. I just wanted the bigger one. I did use a lot of the Nuevo crystal glaze and crystal drops to add dimensions to my calendar pages. So let's flip. July is very patriotic. I fussy cut out some of the flowers from the collection, the flag, 2 paper cuts because I had a red and a blue. I could have added a white in there. This is a belly band here. This card tucks in behind it. And again, all that pulls out. And then we have August. August, it's really cute. It's got the little cat here and all these elements. These, again, all pull off of the month. We got the poppies. I use the glossy drops, crystal drops, to do the centers of the poppies. September, beautiful purple and salmon colors. We've got the different flowers I fussy cut out and created this element piece here that comes off as well. And then I love October, so I'm going to show you October. I use the spider webs on the back. Got a couple little cut aparts, Halloween on the belly band for a photo there, and then this flips around. And so there's all the elements for October. I fussy cut this pumpkin with this spider and then put the glossy on it to make him a little sturdier. Some tickets, different things on there to decorate that up. The bigger owl and the pumpkins and a lot of the glossy accents on that are the crystal glaze. So that just goes on there. And then we have November. Flip it around. There's November with the turkey, and this is a button from my stash. So we have all of that. Now this is a nice size desk calendar. It is a 5 by 7, so it gives you lots of room for your calendar elements, and then it's real decorative on your desktop. And then we have December to finish off the year. I used a tree paper clip, another green one. I used the 25 from those Tim Holtz brads for the numbers, and I have a little spot here that I got some glue on it that I'm going to put something on there like a sticker or something to hide that. So I did goof up there a little bit, but I have all the holly and the berries cut out, and so I really like how this one turned out too. So that is my desk easel calendar. And then we flip this back around to the front here that I showed you on the front. So remember, my project for the hop will be on my channel at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Sunday, November the 28th. I hope you'll come and check it out. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye-bye.